Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make homemade ginger powder for a healthy living. Healthy homemade ginger powder for your tea, for spicing up your food, and every other purposes you want to use it for. Keep watching, don't go away, you are highly welcome. So here is my ginger that I will be using. It's so fresh, super fresh. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to add water to it, enough water to cover it. And after adding this water to cover it, I'm going to give it a wash, a very good wash. But before washing it, please make sure you allow it to soak in the water for 30 minutes to remove all the dents, because I'm not going to be peeling off the skin. I'm going to make this ginger powder with the skin. That is why I said it's a very healthy homemade ginger powder I'm going to make. So I'm going to wash it very well, wash thoroughly to remove any dent on the body. Keep watching, don't go away. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. And please don't forget to click like, subscribe, share my video to your friends and family. Watch this video to the end to see how this homemade healthy ginger powder was made, and watch to the end. Like I said earlier, if you watch halfway, you will not really see how I made this. The method you think I'm using might not be the method I'm using on this very video, so keep watching and don't go away. So I just have a sponge that I'm going to use and give the skin a nice scrub. I'm going to make sure I scrub it thoroughly, because the skin is also very healthy. So I don't need to peel it. I don't need to peel the skin, the back, because it's very healthy. So I have to wash it thoroughly to get rid of dents. Exactly what you see me doing on this cream. I'm using a sponge to wash it until that water is clean, very clean. If you rinse it and it's clean, that means it is ready for our ginger powder. Keep watching, don't go away. So you see that anyone that has joints like that, I have to break it into two and wash it to remove any dent stuck in between. I hope you're there. If you've watched my video up to this point and you've not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscription button for me and turn on the notification bell to get notification whenever a new video is posted on this channel. New videos are updated every week on this channel, everyone. So please comment, like, subscribe, and share my video to your friends and families. So I think this very rinse is enough. You can see the ginger is already very clean. So I'm going to be transferring this to a wider tray. I'm going to transfer it to a wider tray for you to have a proper look. So yeah, this is it here. So the next thing I'm going to do, like I said, I'm using body bag on this very healthy ginger powder, homemade ginger powder I'm making. So I'm going to go on to cut it into desirable size with a very good knife, sharp and a very clean knife. I'm going to cut, and yeah, don't go away, keep watching. So please make sure when you're cutting it, it's super flat so it can easily dry. And another reason I say this is a healthy homemade ginger powder for a healthy living is that I'm not going to be using sunlight to dry it. I'm not going to be putting it in grill so that it can dry up. I'm not going to put it in airway so that it can easily dry properly. All of that, I feel that takes away the nutrients of the ginger. So with the weather here is super hot. It's summer, so all I need to do is to cut this, dice it into a very small size, very thin size. Then I will spread it in a tray and just let it be in the kitchen for 4 days. Just for 3 to 4 days, everything is super dry, and after that is ready for blending. So this is indoor drying. No airwave dryer, no putting it in the oven to dry. I don't want that. I want the nutrient to remain intact. That's why I said it's a healthy homemade ginger powder for a healthy living. It can be used for your tea, it can be used to spice up your your food, so it's used as food ingredient. You can use it for any other purposes you want to use it. So I said, let me share this where I prepare my homemade ginger powder for everyone to see. The skin is also very healthy, so I do not want to waste it. I'll blend everything together. Keep watching, you will see how everything come out, even with the skin, what it looks like, even with the skin. If I don't tell you that I blended with the skin, you wouldn't know. Everything come out perfectly smooth. So I'm taking my time to dice it into smaller sizes, the sizes that is enough to dry properly indoor, not under the sun or using the oven or using an airwave fryer to do that, because I don't want to use airwave fryer to do that. I believe the nutrients will go away. That is what I believe, so I don't know about you. So I just prefer to keep it outside to dry. To keep it indoor, to take it time to dry naturally. I want it to dry naturally, not some sort of airwave fryer or oven. Good. So I'm almost done with the cutting into pieces. So keep watching and see what I do next. Hello all my journey subscribers, thanks so much for your wonderful support. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks so much for returning back, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share my video. We're making healthy ginger powder, homemade healthy ginger powder for a healthy living, and I'm doing this natural way. So this is it after cutting it. So I'm going to divide it into 2 plates so it will dry easily, so it won't start to stick on its body, on each other. So I'm spreading it. So this is it. I'm just going to take it outside where you can see it very well. You see what it looks like and see how clean it's, super clean outside, before I bring it back. So this is what I say. Now it's outside, you see what it looks like. It's very clean here. So I'm going to be taking it back inside the kitchen and just drop it at the corner and allow it to dry naturally. So keep watching, and after 2 days this is what it looks like. 3 to 4 days, this is it. It's super dry, ready for blending everyone. So this was not dried with in the oven or with a wave fryer. It dries naturally, not even with the sunlight. It's super dry, ready for blending everyone. See what it looks like. So I'm going to be transferring this to a clean blender. If you don't have a good blender, you can take it to a power engine to give it that proper smooth finishing. Okay, especially if you want to use it for your tea, unless you want to sieve after that. So I'm transferring this to my blender to get it ready for blending everyone. Okay, so I'm going to be blending it bit by bit. I don't want to rush it. I want to take my time to blend it. All right, keep watching, don't go away. I always say that, keep watching, don't go away. If you ever watch my videos, it's same thing. Don't go away, keep watching. Yeah, when you watch to the end, you understand how everything is made. So I'm blending this. I'm going to blend this for at least 5 to 10 minutes, depending on my blender. Depending on your blender, you can blend more, you can blend less, and depending on how smooth you want it to come out, and depending on the purpose you are using it for. So or blend this to make it very smooth. Your home healthy ginger powder is almost ready. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to be transferring it to a plate, to a good clean place, so you can see what it looks like. So you see how natural it looks just like its color, natural color. This was dried on its own. I didn't use any artificial means to dry it. It dries on its own. So this is our healthy homemade ginger powder, everyone, and it comes out super nice, ready for your tea, ready to spice up your food, whatever you're using it for. All right, thanks so my genuine subscriber for your support. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now. Yeah, bye for now.